Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ram ProMaster hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, typically on the driver's side near the door sill. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a distinct click, indicating the primary latch has disengaged. This initial step is crucial for accessing the engine bay safely. Now, move to the front of your vehicle. Once at the front, reach your hand under the center of the hood's leading edge. You'll feel for a secondary safety latch. This mechanism is designed to prevent the hood from flying open unexpectedly. Gently push this latch to the side, or sometimes lift it to fully release the hood. It's a small but important step for safety. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now gently lift the hood. It should open smoothly. Next, locate the hood prop rod, usually found clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully remove the prop rod and insert its end into the designated slot on the vehicle's frame to securely hold the hood open while you work. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its slot and secure it back in its original clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it is about 12 inches from fully closing. From this height, push down firmly on the center of the hood. You should hear two distinct clicks as both the primary and secondary latches engage, ensuring it's securely closed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.